Hello, dear teachers. Welcome again to the Master in English Teaching subject. Remember, my name is Belen. Today, we will check the Unit 2 content. So, let's move on. The first part is related to linguistics applied to the teaching and learning of second languages. The first point is difference between acquisition and learning. Learning acquisition is the unconscious process of learning a language while being exposed to regularly. For example, from spending time around native speakers of the language they are learning. It happens naturally and relatively quickly when we learn a new language. First, we learn the sounds and words and then grasp sentences structures. Language learning involves using a formal education method to study a language. It's a conscious process where we are taught the theoretical aspects through education. This method is slower and focuses more on theory rather than conversational language. The key difference between language acquisition and language learning is that language acquisition is subconscious learning, whereas language learning is conscious learning. Next point. We have here the concept of second language and specific problems of teaching and learning it with respect to the mother tongue. A language that a person can speak that is not the first language they learned naturally as child. That is the concept. Then we have some problems related to. We have the home environment, so that means students don't speak English at home. Class interaction, sometimes there are distortions into the classroom or limited resources, teachers don't have enough material to work with the number of the students because it can be difficult to face with the engagement or distortions they have. The syllabus, we have to prepare carefully the syllabus. The timing even could be a consequence of not good learning, and the translation. Students uh, like to receive the translation. We have the next point, that is extra linguistic factors involved in learning. We have here some cultural factors like phoneme of their mother tongue, which influences their pronunciation. The psychological factors like anxiety, self-efficacy, motivation, and confidence can play a vital role in EFL. Educational factors, even social factors like peer interaction, for example, and methodology. The last point we are going to check is the linguistic theory and language teaching. Linguistic theory aims to explain the nature of human language in terms of basic underlying principles. Linguistics study the structure of natural languages in order to gain a better understanding of those principles. Right? We have some of the principles could be like phonetics and phonology. Those are the study of sound systems, sound patterns, and sound structures. The syntax and semantics. This is the study of sentence structure and how it constrains meaning and interpretation. The morphology, the study of word structure and its connections with sound and sentence structure. The language acquisition, so that means first and the second language. And the last part could be the historical linguistics and language change. Okay, well, teachers, so for this unit we will have to create a podcast. This is the activity for the last unit. Just remember, teachers, that you will have further information in the official platform Vasconcelos. Thanks for watching the video. See you then in the first online video. Take care and have a nice day.